Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VTGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then it just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. Absolutely monster move here from the price action perspective. But not only from the price action perspective, if you look down here at the volume, by far the biggest volume this chart has had in a very long time. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So with that being said, let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The ideal level of support going forward, I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be at this area right here at about $1.75 can continue to hold. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $1.75, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that is more so kind of a big picture area of support. So this assumes, of course, that you care more so about a longer picture type time frame. But that is the purple line right there, the very famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very cut and dry perspective, if you're sitting there saying, look, Clay, I just want a straightforward way to gauge the strength of the move. This right here being defined as the move. So if you want to gauge the strength of that, again, going back to that purple line, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the price is in full strength, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no doubt about it. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where do the sellers currently seem to be hanging out at? As it stands right now, I realize the price has gone above this level that I'm going to talk about, but what I think hopefully we can all agree on is that the main point of price congestion is right here around the 258-ish, 260 level. But, you know, not once, not twice, but actually on 3 separate occasions, you can see the price has spent quite a bit of time up there trying to get through it. Like I said, a couple of times did, but that didn't last very long, and the price was right back below it. So let's just call it 260 to make the number a little bit rounder. 260, public enemy number 1 going forward. All in all, though, nice looking chart. And as long as the price starts building higher bases going forward, then the overall chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.